As the weather heats up, it's time to heat up the grill, and one of the easiest, tastiest, and most versatile things you can grill is chicken. With different marinades, spices, and flavor combinations, the possibilities are literally endless. To kick off your grilling season with some inspiration, we've got the top 18 ways to grill chicken. Links to all these recipes and more are in the description below. So let's start off with number 18, Jenny's Grilled Chicken Breasts. This easy seasoning is made with lemon juice, onion powder, pepper, seasoning salt, and parsley. It can be used on all kinds of meat, but these chicken breasts turn out perfectly full of flavor. Serve with a side of potatoes or other grilled vegetables for a balanced meal. Another way to flavor your grilled chicken with just a few ingredients is number 17, Honey Mustard Grilled Chicken. Coat chicken breasts in this easy honey mustard sauce and baste while it's on the grill to really infuse the flavor. Make sure to oil the grates of your grill so your chicken doesn't stick, or you can use aluminum foil for easy cleanup. Number 16 is grilled chicken with rosemary and bacon. With minimal prep, you can grill delicious bacon-wrapped chicken breast bursting with fresh rosemary flavor. One tip to know when your chicken is done grilling is to test that the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees. Then you'll know it's completely cooked and ready to enjoy. Marinades are the key to getting juicy and flavorful chicken. Like the number 15 recipe, grilled lemon chicken. Marinate with a mix of olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, garlic, red bell pepper, salt, and pepper for 20 minutes in the refrigerator, and your chicken will absorb all those delicious flavors. Customize your marinades with your favorite sauces and seasonings for a personal twist on grilled chicken. For some more marinade inspiration, here's number 14, Key West chicken. This recipe uses a marinade of soy sauce, honey, vegetable oil, lime juice, and garlic for a punch of zesty flavors. You can let this chicken marinate overnight, and it comes out just as delicious on an outdoor grill as it does on an indoor grill pan. Number 13 is this easy grilled chicken teriyaki. Use garlic, sesame oil, lemon juice, and teriyaki sauce for the marinade, and here's a hack. Just toss everything together in a plastic zip-top bag for easy storage and even easier cleanup. Just make sure to squeeze the extra air out of the bag. Our number 12 recipe is lime tarragon grilled chicken, which also marinates in a bag, but this time we're grilling chicken thighs. Grill for about 30 minutes or until no longer pink in the center. Chicken thighs don't dry out easily, so don't be afraid to cook them a bit longer if needed. Grill your chicken on skewers for number 11, chicken tikka masala. This chicken is cut into pieces, marinated in yogurt and lots of spices, then grilled for 5 minutes on each side. When you're grilling kebabs, use metal skewers, and if you use wood, make sure to soak your skewers in some water so they don't catch fire on the grill. The number 10 recipe is Chris's grilled orange chicken. This marinade is just orange juice, lemon juice, lime juice, honey, and fresh mint. How easy and fresh. Our number 9 recipe, Asian grilled chicken, uses a great marinade with a great hack. After raw chicken sits in a marinade overnight, the sauce isn't safe to eat, so pour it into a saucepan and bring it to a full boil to sterilize and enjoy over your grilled chicken. Another chicken thigh recipe is number 8, Vietnamese grilled lemongrass chicken. Pound your chicken thighs to an even thickness before marinating and grilling so it all cooks evenly for perfectly juicy and delicious chicken. And for number 7, this grilled chicken taco salad takes your grilled chicken to the next level. While your chicken is cooking, throw some tortillas on the grill and build a taco salad with your favorite toppings. Another Latin-inspired recipe is number 6, chicken kabobs Mexicana. After marinating in some classic spices, thread chicken, zucchini, onion, red bell pepper, and tomatoes onto skewers, brush with oil, and grill. This recipe is great for a family dinner or an outdoor get-together and pairs well with salsa, rice, or salad. Coming in at number 5 is Hawaiian chicken kabobs. Alternate chicken and pineapple on skewers and grill for 15 to 20 minutes, turning every so often so it cooks evenly. Grilled fruit is one of the tastiest things you can pair with grilled chicken because the sugars get nice and caramelized, bringing out the sweetness. You don't have to stick to plain grilled chicken. Check out number 4, grilled chicken salad with seasonal fruit. This grilled chicken goes on top of a fresh and fruity salad with a delicious dressing. The ways to grill your chicken are endless, and so are the ways to transform it into leftovers, like number 3, grilled chicken salad sandwich, which uses leftover grilled chicken to make a classic chicken salad to go with toast or crackers. Make your favorite chicken salad recipe to stretch your grilled chicken and enjoy it all week. Our second place recipe is Grill Master chicken wings. Grilled wings are great for barbecues, game days, or just weeknight dinners, so throw your wings on the grill and toss them in your favorite sauce. And finally, the number 1 grilled chicken recipe is Unbelievable Chicken. This chicken marinates for 8 hours or overnight to infuse the flavors of garlic, citrus juice, brown sugar, and more. This chicken is truly unbelievable and perfect to meal prep or make leftovers. Check out allrecipes.com for tons of ways to turn your chicken into other easy meals, and comment below how you like to grill your chicken. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing.